How to level up? What does it mean to level up? What are we leveling up? We're leveling up ourselves. And how do we do that? One of the most important tools, I think, in personal development is introspection. Using introspection to look deep within yourself to find answers to things that you've never thought you would be capable of answering. How do we practically engage in introspection? Like, truly, what are the steps? What does it mean if you've never done it? So, in order to dive into that, I'm going to give you guys an acronym. The acronym stands for reflect, optimize, execute, analyze, and reward. Okay. What does that all mean? What problem could be causing this problem? So there's like a hierarchy of problems, and the ones that surface are immediately apparent to you are likely the easiest to fix. The ones that are unanswered are going to take a lot more work to get to those fundamental problems that we're going to try to solve. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys an example. So, in reflecting, I have a problem where every time I go out, it takes me a long time to go out. Why does it take me a long time to go out? I keep misplacing things. I don't know where my wallet is. I don't know where my keys are, or I don't know where my pants are, or a certain sweater that I want to wear, like something specific like that. So I have a problem, right? If I put my keys in a certain place every single day, it would be very hard to misplace it. So we're coming to solutions. So the problem is I keep misplacing things. It's causing other issues like I'm leaving my house late all the time. And what do I do about something like that? If I keep misplacing things, if I knew where things were placed, that could better help me figure out where they are, right? And I would probably not misplace things. Okay, so let's just start with that. Very simple example. It's like, I know it's corny. I'll get called, it's corny, whatever. But listen, guys, it is so important that it deserves a podcast like this. So let's continue jumping into it. I've identified a problem and a potential solution. I need to organize my room so that the things that I keep misplacing don't get misplaced. Okay. So in the optimize step, the goal is to take the minimum step to act. What does that mean? What is the minimum step to act? It means, what is one thing you could do right now that moves you towards solving the problem of, let's say, organizing my room? I first thought about this. I'm like, okay, I could just clean my entire room. Very simple, right? We're done. Clean my entire room. Here's the reality, guys. Cleaning my room turned out to be a very big task for me. It turns out every time I would clean it, it would just become uh, disorderly, like very quickly. I didn't have a rhyme or reason. I didn't have a system. And not only did I attempt to clean my room, I would only be able to clean very small parts of it and never the full thing in one swoop. And so I had to be honest with myself, and it was very embarrassing. I could do a lot of other complex things in my life, but it seems like cleaning my room was very difficult. That's the painful part to admit, and that's okay. That's my point is you're going to learn things when you do this exercise of introspection. You're going to learn things about yourself that are not flattering, but that's okay. But we can always aim a bit higher and get rid of some of them and improve. And by doing that, you can improve the lives of everyone around you.